no change in the equation of curve. Therefore, symmetry about the line theta equal to pi by 2 or the y-axis. Next, both of the curve they are passing through the pole. Okay. Next, third, how to find tangent to the curve at pole? We have to substitute r equal to 0. We have done that and we obtained few tangents. Theta equal to pi divided by 2n, then 3 pi divided by 2n. Okay, 5 pi divided by 2n. And so on. Okay. Whereas in case of 27 seconds. Then for the r equal to a sin n theta, the tangents are theta equal to 0, pi by n, 2 pi divided by n, 3 pi divided by n, and so on. Okay. Then existence, both of the curve they lies inside the circle r equal to a. Okay, that also we understood. Then loop, we understood that there exists loop since r is negative for a few values of theta. Okay. Then very important part. Number of loops. Anyone remember how many loops are there if n is odd?
N.
Yes.
N loops.
N loops are there. If n is odd, n loops are there. And if n is even, how many loops are there? Double, 2n loops are there.
2n loops.
N, right. Very important part, first loop. Okay, I'll start with that. Once again, I'll start with what the first loop is. Now I am presenting the screen. So two important parts are there to trace the rose curve. Let me explain them once again. So we are on page number 39. Acha, I forget to start this. Give me 1 minute only. Yes. So today is 9/7/21. Page number 39. Number of loops. N even to n loops. Okay. N odd n loops. Okay. First loop along r equal to a cos n theta. So we want r equal to a. So a equal to a cos n theta. Why we want r equal to a? I'll tell you. Cos n theta equal to 1. N theta equal to, when cos is 1, 0. Theta equal to 0. First loop along theta equal to 0. In case of r equal to a cos n theta. Okay. Now r equal to a sin n theta. So again we want r equal to a. Okay. So a equal to a sin n theta. Okay. So sin n theta should be 1. When sin theta is 1, pi by 2. Okay. Single value is required. So pi divided by 2n. This may be the question in MCQ. Where is the first loop? Okay. So conclusion, very important conclusion. First loop along theta equal to pi divided by 2n. इसको याद रखना है आपको. You have to remember this. Written all these things. Let me change the page. Write it. Now, right, next, tracing of the curve. How to trace the curve? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tracing curve. Divide each quadrant in n parts. Same. Divide each quadrant in n parts. Okay, there are 1. N odd n loops. N even 2n loops. Same. First loop along theta equal to 0. First loop along theta equal to pi divided by 2n. Very important step. This is the only different step. Remaining all the steps are same only. Okay. Fourth, A part. If n is odd, draw loops in 2 sectors alternatively. Keeping 2 sectors vacant. First loop at theta equal to 0. You remember this. Draw the first loop in 2 sectors. Next 2 sector will be vacant. Draw next loop in next 2 sectors. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको? Then draw loop in next 2 sectors. Next 2 sectors are vacant and so on. Okay. B part. If n is even, draw loops in 2 sectors successively without keeping any sector vacant. First loop at theta equal to 0. See, this is same only. Only small change. First loop at theta equal to pi divided by 2n. B part is also same. Only changes first loop at theta equal to pi divided by 2. Everyone is getting this? That is, all the steps are same only. Step number 1 to 4. Only step number 3 is different. Except step number 3, the curve tracing for both of them is same only. Okay. So let me continue now. Now see what we'll do. Considering the above part, how to trace the curve, we'll trace the curve directly, right? For the examples on the Cartesian form and polar form, what we have done, we have studied all the things, symmetry, okay, whether it is passing through pole or origin, tangent at origin, then we have obtained asymptote existence, and then at the end, considering table, we have traced the curve. Here, in case of rose curve, we are not doing like that. We are doing it other way around. Okay, actual way is to study everything about the curve and then trace the curve. But this is shortcut. Okay, we are using shortcut, but we'll get the required answer. Okay, so let me start with the first example. Okay, let me change the page. Right, let on trace the curve. I think it is 41, no? R equal to A cos 2 theta. Okay, so here N equal to, what is N? 2. Even number, na? So number of loops. How many loops are there? 2n. That is 4 loops should be there. Write in bracket 2n. Or you write equal to. Why I have to write in bracket? Okay. Then first loop along. So since R equal to A cos 2 theta, whether n is odd or even doesn't matter. Whether it is cos 2 theta, sorry, cos n theta or sin n theta, depending upon that we have to find where the first loop will be. First loop along theta equal to, yes, hope you remember, 0. Right. Now what the procedure is, draw a circle. First draw the circle. Draw the circle. So circle is like this. X axis or theta equal to 0. Y axis or theta equal to pi by 2. Theta equal to pi or a negative x axis. Theta equal to 3 pi by 2. Right. Now what is the first step that we have written on the previous page? Check that. First step. Divide each quadrant in how many parts? N parts. What is N? 2 parts. So these are the 2 parts. Don't have to draw the 2 lines. Huh? We want to make 2 parts of the quadrant. So single line will be sufficient. Getting? Now if you want, you can write the angles. So pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Okay. Now where is the first loop? Now see towards screen and understand how many loops are required. 4 loops are required. And since n is even, we have to draw the loops b part of 4th. See the b part of 4. Draw, since n is even, draw the loops successively. Okay. So first loop along theta equal to 0. See, it is like this. Then we don't have to keep any sector vacant. Next loop. This is by mistake, huh? Yes, hope everyone is getting this. Understood how the rose curve is obtained? Now let me write few things about the rose curve. we have to write few things about the Rose curve. Huh? So first, symmetry. Can anyone tell me anything about the symmetry? Is it symmetric about x-axis, about OX1, as well as about theta equal to pi by 2 also? You can check it. For that, how we can check this? Replace theta by, anyone remember? Pi minus theta, and check whether curve remains unchanged or whether it is changing. Second, pole. Is it passing through pole? Yes. Third, tangent at pole. कोई बता सकता है tangents क्या है? Can anyone tell me what are the tangents and how to find them?
Tangents equal
Find by r equal to 0. But I can write the tangents directly. Yes. What are the tangents? Yes, correct.
pi by 4.
Pi by 4, absolutely. 3 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4, absolutely. And
7 pi by 4.
7 pi by 4. These are the 4 different tangents. Hope this is clear. Then existence, if required. A part inside r equal to a. B part exist everywhere. Okay, there is no restriction. Inside the circle, it exists everywhere. Huh? It is not outside the circle. Inside the circle exist everywhere. Fifth, loop, yes. That already we have written 4 loops. That's it. Have you understood all these things? Clear है ये? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं.
हेलो सर.
हाँ येस.
हॅलो.
हाँ बोलो.
जर एन फ्रॅक्शन असलं तर काय होईल?
म्हणजे फ्रॅक्शन
एन जर फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये असलं तर काय होईल?
ए फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये.
फ्रॅक्शन म्हणजे आता 2/5. हा एन फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये. एन थीटा जो आहे ना तो एन फ्रॅक्शन.
नाही, इट इज नॉट ट्रू फॉर फ्रॅक्शन. इट इज ट्रू फॉर द नॅचरल नंबर्स ओनली. अच्छा ते लिहिलं नाही बहुतेक आपण कुठे ना. सो एन इज I think at the starting yesterday we written r equal to a cos n theta and r equal to a sin n theta. There please mention that n is positive whole number, or you write natural number. It is true for the natural numbers only. Okay, good question. Sure. Let me continue. Next, Radha. Hope you might have written all these things. Very important. All these things are important and simple also. Once you understand, then it is simple, and it is better to understand it here. Afterwards, it is difficult to understand. Okay, so trace the curve r equal to a sin 3 theta. Okay, so here n equal to 3. So how many loops are there?
6.
Number of loops. How many?
6.
How 6? Odd na? Odd number n loops. Even number double. Okay. First loop along. Is it theta equal to 0? Is the first loop along theta equal to 0? No. In case of sine, it is theta divided by, pi divided by 2. So pi divided by 6, isn't it? So these two things are important. How many loops and where the first loop is. Then everything else is very simple. Okay. Yes. Trace the curve. So I'll trace the half part you have to trace. Okay. So right. Circle. Fortunately, I am able to trace circle correctly. It is like circle again. X-axis, Y-axis. So how many parts of the quadrant? n parts. What the n is? 3 parts. So 2 lines are required like this. Equal 3 parts. Huh? Try to make 3 equal parts. Now write the angles. See, very simple. First quadrant, pi by 2. Okay, I'm writing it here. Pi by 2. Divided in how many sectors? 3 sectors. So divided by 3. So pi by 6. So start like this. Pi by 6. 2 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6. 4 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 6 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, 8 pi by 6, 9 pi by 6, 10 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. I return it after simplification and this is 0. Hope you understand the angles now. Pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes.
You have written 3 pi by 6 instead of 9 pi by 6.
Yes, sir.
3. This one, na? This one?
Yes, sir.
9 pi by 6 actually, but I simplified, but then I forget to simplify the denominator. Everywhere I tried to simplify it. Somewhere it is not simplified. For example, here it should be 4 pi by 3. Here also it is actually 10 pi by 6. Then it is simplified to 5 pi by 3. You please do that yourself. Okay, trace the curve. How many loops required? 3 loops are required. Please try it yourself. Then I will trace and we'll check whether it is correct or not. Trace the curve yourself and see whether you are getting the curve or not. Try to trace the curve. Okay, like this. See, first loop along pi by 6. That is, here we have a point. Right? If I substitute sine 3 theta, na? See the equation. R equal to A sine 3 theta. Okay. You substitute theta equal to 0. So that we'll understand. Theta equal to 0. What the R is? 0 only. Okay. Theta equal to pi by 6. What the R is? Check it. R equal to A sine of 3 into pi by 6. So pi by 2. And what is sine of pi by 2? 1. So we are getting A. Okay. So R equal to A when theta equal to pi by 6. So this is theta equal to pi by 6 and circle is R equal to A. So I have a point here. And therefore the first loop is like this. Loop between 2 sectors. What about next 2 sectors? Since n is odd, keep the next 2 sectors vacant. Then loop in next 2 sectors. Hope everyone is getting this. The size of loop should be same. Here it is not same. Please make the required changes. Next 2 sectors vacant. Okay. It is not up to the scale. Therefore, it is not the lobes, na? Closed curves. They are not of same size. Next 2 sectors vacant. Getting? This is the curve. Hope everyone is getting this. हे इधर टच झालं पाहिजे हा. यहाँ पे टच होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा वो पेपर was not fixed, displaced, and therefore it is not touching exactly at the point. Huh? So please, whenever you are drawing it, please draw it correctly. Okay. Let me write few points. Symmetry. Yes, can anyone tell me anything about the symmetry? About what? Is it symmetric about initial line? No. Is it symmetric about theta equal to pi by 2? Yes. Pole. Is it passing through pole? Yes. Tangent. Tangent at pole. कोई बता सकता है what are the tangents? Those who want to find it not using the geometry, not using the figure, and if you want to find it yourself, you have to substitute r equal to 0. From there you will get values of theta. Those values of theta are the tangents. So here what the tangents are? Theta equal to 0. Very good.
Pi by
Then
3.
Theta equals to
pi by 3. Absolutely. Next.
2 pi by
2
3.
pi by 3.
Very good. 2 pi by 3.
7
Next.
pi by 3.
Pi. Next. 4 pi by 3.
4 pi by 3.
Absolutely. Last.
5 pi by 3.
5 pi by 3. Absolutely. These are the 6 tangents. 3 curves are there. 6 tangents. 3 lobes are there. Petals are there. You can see. And 6 tangents are there. Okay. Fourth, existence. Same again. A part inside circle r equal to a. Now B exists in between the tangents 0 to pi by 3. Exist. Okay. Does not exist from pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Hope you might have understood. 2 pi by 3 to pi exist. Okay. Then does not exist from pi to 4 pi by 3. Then from 4 pi by 3 to 5 pi by 3 exist. In next between 5 pi by 3 to 0 does not exist. Getting everyone? समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं और एक करो ट्रेस करते हैं and then we'll go to the next part. ये
Sir?
आपको हाँ yes
थोडं मोठं लिहिता का ते 10 वेळेस झूम करून ते खालीवरती करायला
हाँ ठीक है चल ट्राय करतो.
ठीक आहे.
इथे मला आहे ना आय एम एबल टू यूज 1/3 पार्ट ऑफ द पीसी ओनली. ऍक्च्युली दिस इज द प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ दिस डिव्हाइस. ऍक्च्युली ते पूर्ण पेज वर यायला पाहिजे पण ते अनफॉर्च्युनेटली नाही येत. ओके
बघा सर जमलं तर.
नाही मोठं लिहितो की त्याला काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ठीक आहे चल थर्ड एक्झाम्पल. Trace the curve r equal to a sin 4 theta. Slow down. Number of loops.
8.
Yes. N equal to 4 to n. That is 8. 8 loops are there. First loop along. Yes. Where is the first loop? Since sine, therefore pi divided by 2n. Pi divided by 8. Isn't it? Chalo. Trace the curve. सर्कल आ रहा है या नहीं? कुछ तो करके लाएंगे हम इसको. Yes. How many parts of the quadrant? N parts. N equal to 4. 4 parts. थोड़ा सा ट्राई करना इक्वल होने चाहिए. Divide each quadrant in 4 parts. या तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. It is difficult to get equal sectors. For that you have to use scale protector and all those things. So please do that yourself. Then write the angles 0, pi by 2 divided by 4 parts हो गया, so pi by 8 different angles of pi by 8, pi by 8, 2 pi by 8, 3 pi by 8, 4 pi by 8, 5 pi by 8, 6 pi by 8, 7 pi by 8, 8 pi by 8, 9 pi by 8, 10 pi by 8, 11 pi by 8, 12 pi by 8, 13 pi by 8, 14 pi by 8, 15 pi by 8, 16 pi by 8. Yes. चलो ट्रेस करो आप, और देन यू राइट द फ्यू थिंग्स अबाउट द कर्व बिलो. इसके नीचे लिखो आप symmetry and all those things. Please do that yourself. So like this, first loop is along pi by 8. Okay. Then since n is even, draw the loops successively, one after one. Don't have to keep any sector vacant. N is even there. टेंजेंट के उस साइड में नहीं जाना चाहिए. It should not cross the tangent. So in this way we are getting 8 loops. 4 above initial line and 4 below the initial line. How you write few information about this? Please do it yourself. Hope you might have understood it.
So why we don't take the existence initial?
Why we don't take?
Existence.
You check existence, no any problem. If you want to check, na, you check the existence and you will find that you take any tangent. We have tangent at theta equal to 0 and next tangent is at 2 pi by 8, that is pi by 4. So 0 and pi by 4. So you check existence between 0 to pi by 4. It will exist. You check existence between pi by 4 to pi by 2. It will exist. Everywhere it will exist. Therefore, no need to check. If you want to check, you can check it.
Okay.
And now for our exam, it will be only MCQ. So what the question will be? The questions expected on this problem are: 1, how many loops are there? Second, where is the first loop? Third, what the tangents are? Fourth, symmetric about what? That's it. These are the only 4 questions they are expected. Is it okay? Your
So
problem is solved or not? Yes.
Yes, sir. If they have given us that find the loop, find the tangent, so they will give us the figure or not.
No. What I'm saying, since I have drawn the figure, therefore I am writing tangents directly using the geometry. Suppose same question is just, this is given, r equal to a cos 4 theta, and it is asked to find the tangents. Okay, so let me write it. Find tangents of r equal to a sine 4 theta. So how we find tangent in polar form? R equal to 0. So a sine 4 theta equal to 0. Sine 4 theta equal to 0. So when sine theta is 0, 0 degree, pi, 2 pi, we know all these things, na?
Yes.
3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, and so on. Okay, so find theta from here. 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4. Okay. Then 4 pi by 4, so pi and so on. Please, I think you might have now understood how to solve it. Okay. Yes. Please, just 1 minute. Can I call you after some time? Right now I'm in lecture. Once I'll be free, I'll call you. Okay. Okay. Chalo, next. So till we completed curving, any doubt?
सर याच्यासाठी टँजंट सगळंच लिहायला लागेल.
नाही ते किती ऑप्शन आहेत त्याच्यावर डिपेंड ना.
ते सगळं म्हणजे सगळंच लिहायला लागतील.
Hello, sir.
Actually here in this case, just 1 minute, 8 tangents are to be written here. 8 tangents are there. Okay, I'll mention them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again this will repeat. Okay, so 8 tangents are there. Any other doubt?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, continue.
आता आपण समजा कर्वला पहिले पोलार फॉर्म मध्ये कन्सिडर करतो आणि त्याला नंतर टँजंट ह्या कार्टेशियन फॉर्म मध्ये काढतो. जर आपण इनिशियल
Cartesian
कर्वला
form
जर
नाही,
कार्टेशियन
polar
फॉर्म
form.
मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं.
No. I'm not saying anywhere Cartesian form. Just for simplification, I'm saying that this is y-axis. You consider it in polar form only, na? It will be same only, na? I'm writing angles only.
पण जर
I'm
आपण
not writing
इनिशियली
equation
कर्वला
in terms
डायरेक्ट
of x
ट्रान्सफर
and y.
केलं तर
So curve is to be
जर
converted
आपण
into
कर्वला
Cartesian
डायरेक्ट
form.
इनिशियली कन्वर्ट केलं
Cartesian
तर
form that you want to say?
तर येईल का?
In Cartesian form that you want to say, na?
येस
Just 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
बघूया आपण काय होतंय. That's problem. No problem. So that you will understand. Good question. From there you will also understand why polar coordinate system is required. Whether it is possible to solve each and every example in form of Cartesian or not. That we will understand. Okay. So curve is like this: r equal to a sine 4 theta. Okay. Oh, sorry. R equal to a sine 4 theta, right? We know this relation: x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sine theta. Okay, then x square plus y square equal to r square, and theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. Okay, so this will be root of x square plus y square equal to a. What will be the sine 4 theta? Don't know. So we have to write in this way: sine 4 tan inverse y by x. Getting? And dealing with this type of terms very difficult. Getting everyone? Getting everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
solving this example or other way around. Suppose I have a rose curve. Okay, say I have a rose curve like this. Let me take simple rose curve like this. Okay, this is the rose curve. And suppose I want to write its Cartesian equation. It will be very difficult. Or other way around, if I have Cartesian equation like this, and if I want to trace the curve, that will be very difficult. Whereas this problem, in case of polar coordinate system, simplified. Sorry, here it should be simplified. In the same way, in unit number 6, we'll study this type of example. Say, I want to solve this double integral till we don't know, but try to understand. Suppose I want to solve this integral. Say, double integration x square plus 3xy, okay, and dx dy, and limits of x are given 0 to 5 y, sorry, okay. Limits of y are given, y equal to 0 to 1. Outer limits are constant. Inner limits may be function of x or y. Okay, we will study all those things. Time being, let me continue. So I can solve this example in Cartesian form. For me, it is not a difficult part. Okay, possible. Whereas, suppose this integral is given, dx divided by 1 plus x square plus y square raised to 3 by 2. Dx dy. This integral is given, and what the a is? A is the say area of circle x square plus y square equal to 9. Now if I try to solve this example in Cartesian formula, it is not possible. I'm saying not possible. Huh? I'm not saying it is difficult. It is not possible to solve the example in Cartesian form. Okay, so Cartesian form cannot be used. Whereas if I convert this into polar formula, within 2-3 steps I will get the required answer. Understood? Now, as in case of 2 dimension, we
Yes,
have
sir.
only 2 coordinate system. One is Cartesian and other is polar. Whereas in case of 3 dimension, we have 3 different coordinate systems. Cartesian coordinate system, spherical polar coordinate system, and cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, so we'll study all these interesting things in the unit number 6. In all the unit number in M1 and M2, I like to teach unit number 6, which is very interesting. Okay, but fortunately we have very less time. We'll try to understand maximum number of things. So time being, let me continue. Okay, so we were on the page number 44. Let me change to page number 45. Yes, let me change the page. 45. Few more interesting things we want to study. Till we studied the curve in Cartesian form. 1, curve in polar form. 2, third, rose curve. Right. 4th and last part now of the curve tracing. Right on. 4th, curve in parametric form. What is parametric equation? Run. Equation which is given in terms of only one parameter or variable. You can say it as a variable time being, is known as parametric equation. Is known as parametric equation. Known as okay, very important to understand. Right. 1. Hope you remember we have written parametric equation of the parabola. Okay. Now let me write parametric equation of few of them. Circle. Yes. What is x square plus y square equal to a square? कौन सा equation है ये? Cartesian है ना? And x square plus y square is r square. R square equal to a square. From there if I write r equal to a, कौन सा equation है ये? Polar equation है. Getting? हर एक के कुछ strength है, कुछ weaknesses है. Right? If we write the Cartesian equation, we are very clear that center is at origin and radius is a. But it is somewhat difficult to understand from the polar equation. But before some time we have seen that whenever we want to solve double integral and where x square plus y square is involved, then solving that integral in Cartesian form is very difficult. Whereas if you want to solve that in polar form, it is very simple. Okay, so one more form is there, that is known as parametric form. So what I'll do now, I will consider let x equal to a cos theta. I'm not saying r cos theta. If I write r cos theta, then it is polar form. I'm saying a cos theta. So a is constant, absolute constant, huh? Whereas theta is a parameter. Understand the difference? Parameter means whose value can be changed. Okay. Now once x equal to a cos theta, tell me what the value of y is. For that I will use this equation, x square plus y square equal to a square. X is a cos theta. So a square cos square theta plus y square equal to a square. So what is y square from here? A square 1 minus cos square theta. Right now? So a square sin square theta. Right? That is y equal to a sin theta. So x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. This is the parametric equation. Okay, so we have written equation of circle in Cartesian form, polar form, parametric form. Now question may be why we started with the a cos theta. हाँ, ये question आपके मन में आया होगा. तो if you want to start with a tan theta, you start it. No any problem. But if you start with a tan theta, or if you start with any other term, say theta, say t is the parameter, huh? Then whatever y we are getting na, that is not in simple form. क्या मैं बोल रहा हूँ, समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? Suppose I start with x equal to t, suppose मैंने start किया, तो बताओ y क्या आएगा? y square equal to a square minus x square ना, तो a square minus t square आएगा. Okay, that is y equal to root of a square minus t square आएगा. So this is parametric equation of the circle, t and y equal to a square minus. ये parametric equation क्या है ना, कोई problem नहीं उसमें. But dealing with this equation is very difficult as compared to dealing with x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. So it is standard that we have to consider parametric equation in this form, x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. Is it clear? सबको समझ में आ रहा है क्या है पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन? अरे कोई है या नहीं, या अकेला मैं ही बोल रहा हूं?
आहे ना सर.
अर्पित,
येस सर.
अरे कधी तर हो म्हण, नाही म्हण, काही तर म्हण की. कसे मार्क्स द्यायचे? जे बोलतायत त्यांनाच मार्क्स देणार आहे. इनसेमचे मार्क्स, टर्म वर्कचे मार्क्स ते आमच्याकडेच आहेत की, तुम्हाला कळते की ते? तुम्ही कधी बोललाच नाही तर कसे मार्क्स देणार? काय करणार मला ते, तुम्हाला समजते की नाही? हो म्हणायला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे ना, किंवा नाही म्हणायला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? इफ यू अंडरस्टूड. अमृत पांडे, तू बोलतच नाहीस की रे?
सर समज.
तू फक्त कल्चरल प्रोग्राम मध्ये बोलतेस काय? अमृत.
येस सर.
प्रियंका पाटील, साक्षी, मैत्री बोलायचं बंद केली की?
No sir, no sir.
नॉट स्पीकिंग एनिथिंग. अजय धोत्रे, अजय आहे काय?
येस सर.
व्हेरी गुड. आहे की नाही तुम्ही सगळे? काय मध्ये बोलतच नाही? कुणाला शिकवते ते तर मला कळलं पाहिजे. नितिन शर्मा किधर है आप? आवाज नहीं आ रही आजकल. ओम दानम, कार्तिक, निखिल,
यस सर.
रोहन, अरे काय आवाजच येत नाही तुमचा?
जी सर.
It is very difficult to teach if no one is speaking. You understand? You keep yourself in my position and you understand. No one is speaking and just I am teaching. It will be difficult, na? If you understand, say yes. If you don't understand, I'll repeat it. But for that, you have to say that, sir, not understood. Sir, not getting second step. Something you have to speak, na? And see,
Yes, sir.
whatever things we are studying, na? Two important things that take away from whatever we are doing in M1, M2. One, that will develop your aptitude. Mathematical aptitude that will develop, that you can use in your real life problems also. Okay, that you can use even in engineering problems also. Whenever you will do the job, na, that you can use this mathematical aptitude. Second, all these things, they are there to get the marks. They will be required in your second year subjects also. So for that, at least you understand them. Engineering complete करना आपका इरादा है या नहीं? You want to complete the engineering, na? And after getting good marks.
Yes sir.
Right? This COVID will be only this year, huh? Second year to study. From next year, second year, third year, आपको पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. Then only you will understand how the engineering is. अभी आप घर में है, आपको समझ में नहीं आया होगा, है ना? यानी 19-20 चलता है अभी, थोड़ा पढ़ा चलता है. 1 यूनिट छोड़ दिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. एक लेक्चर में अटेंडेंस दिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मोबाइल स्टार्ट करके बाजू में रख दिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सब अच्छे से पढ़ा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सब एक साथ है अभी, है ना? लेकिन सी, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ काम करना पड़ेगा हमें, और हमारा एज ऐसा है आपका, है ना, कि आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. और उतना एंथु भी रहता है हमें. We have that much enthu as well as उतना हमारे पास this is the time when आप आपकी लाइफ बना सकते हैं या मेक एंड ब्रेक सिचुएशन. हाँ, I think I told you long back. These are the 4 years. आपको 4 years काम करना है, पूरी लाइफ अच्छे से रहना है। या एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट, 4 years एंजॉय करना है, फिर बाकी पूरी जिंदगी है काम करते रहना है। आप डिसाइड करो क्या करना है। And it is very true, huh? Okay, let me continue. So we understood what the parametric equation is. So conclusion is that the x and y, they are given in terms of a parameter, then it is known as parametric equation. Okay, so let me start with the parametric equation and we'll understand few things about the parametric equation. Okay, so consider parametric equation of curve as x is given in terms of parameter, y is given in terms of parameter. X equal to f of t and y equal to g of t. You can mention that t is a parameter. T is a parameter. Okay, so 1. Limitations on curve. So simple part. Again, it is like the existence only. Gonna find minimum and maximum values of x and y, and hence limitations. Suppose x equal to 0 है, minimum value of x is 0, maximum value of x is 5, minimum value of y is 0, maximum value of y is 10. What is meaning of this? The whole curve lies inside a rectangle which is bounded by x equal to 0 to x equal to 5, y equal to 0 to y equal to 10. Simple, है ना? समझ में आ गया? लिमिटेशंस क्या है? एग्जिस्टेंस चेक करना है। ओके, सेकंड, राइट डाउन symmetry, very important point. Right, 1, x equal to f of t, even function of t, okay, y equal to g of t, odd function of t, दोनों satisfy, हाँ? Symmetry about x axis. ओके, अभी शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं, राइट? x इक्वल टू f ऑफ t और y इक्वल टू g ऑफ t, even function of t, anyone symmetry about y axis.
Yes, sir.
X equal to f of t, y equal to g of t. Suppose both of them are odd. Fourth, ये गलत है, ये रॉन्ग। Symmetry in opposite quadrant. Please make the required change. Symmetry in opposite quadrant. Third, write down point of intersection. Origin. both x equal to 0, y equal to 0 for same value of t. For single value of t, both x should be 0 as well as y should be 0. Okay, then it is said to be passing through the origin. Okay, let me change the page.
Sir, just 1 minute.
हाँ, चेंज करो पेज अभी. Tangent at any point AB. Let for t equal to t1, right? X equal to A and Y equal to B. So every time what we have to do, we have to consider X and Y in terms of t, huh? So X and Y, they are given in terms of t, na? So for say t equal to t1, X equal to A and Y equal to B. And now we want to find tangent. So tangent means we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, how to find dy by dx? Dy by dt. Okay, as well as dx by dt. At what? At t equal to t1. And from there we can decide the tangent. Okay, if dy by dx equal to 0, we know all these things very well, huh? If dy by dx equal to 0, tangent is parallel to x-axis, right? And if dy by dx equal to infinity, tangent is parallel to y-axis, right? We know it very well. Then add on fifth, intercept. X-intercept. How to find x-intercept? Y equal to 0. How to find y-intercept? X equal to 0. Actually, this is not sufficient. Y equal to 0. From there, we'll get the values of t. Substitute those values of t in the equation of x. From there, we'll get the x-intercept. We'll understand that when we start solving examples. Table of values. Below this radar, considering symmetry and limitations. Considering symmetry and limitations, find the values of t, x and y. Find values of t, x, y. T, then x, then y. Okay, 7. Trace the rough curve. C is remaining here. Cycloid. 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 Now, when a circle rolls in a plane along a line, the locus traced out by a point on circumference of circle is known as. शायद ये आपको पता रहेगा, ये लाइन है। 1 मिनट में कॉइन देखता हूं है क्या किसी के पास। Just 1 minute. Why? Let me change the page. There I will trace the cycloid. चलो समझते हैं। 47, 48. शायद you might have studied this in graphics, ना? Have you studied cycloid in graphics?
Yes. Yes.
Anyone know how to trace it? Don't know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We know, sir.
चलो मैं अभी कैमरा इस पे ये करता हूँ, मुझे सिर्फ बताइए कि आपको दिखाई दे रहा है या नहीं। ये दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? पेज इज विजिबल?
Not clearly, sir.
No, sir.
हाँ हे
Yes,
बंद
sir.
करावं लागेल बहुतेक। काय करावं लागेल? हाँ दिसते की
ते बॅकग्राऊंड काढा.
करेक्ट कुठे गेलं बॅकग्राऊंड? चेंज बॅकग्राऊंड काय करायचं असते ह्याला? नो ठीक आहे चालेल। हे दिसते पा सॅम कन्सिडरिंग पॉइंट समवेअर हिअर, तुम्हाला ते एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट दिसते वाटतं। जरा डिफिकल्टच काम आहे। यस थोडासा असा आहे, ठीक आहे। नाउ आई विल रोल दिस सर्कल। हाँ आई विल रोल दिस सर्कल and I'll take one point on the circumference of the circle and I'll trace it. हाँ ते जाऊन दे, ट्रेस करतो मी डायरेक्टली, जरा डिफिकल्ट आहे। You have to come here, then only you understand. Okay. Where we? Here. Yes. So then I'll get a cycloid like this. This is one way. Cycloid may be like this also. This is known as cycloid. Okay. So few equations are there where we want to trace the cycloid. Okay. So we'll go through first example. Right now, trace the curve. Write with me. X raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Okay, right. So see, dealing with this equation in Cartesian form is in fact not possible since powers are fractions 2 by 3. Okay, therefore better to convert this into converting this into polar form also will not help. Okay, so alternative is to convert this into parametric form. Okay, so let x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta. Okay, we'll check what will happen with the left hand side. So left hand side is, this is only for understanding. In exam you don't have to write this. So x is a cos cube theta raised to 2 by 3. A sin cube theta raised to 2 by 3. So this 3 will cancel. Huh? So a raised to 2 by 3 cos square theta, isn't it? Then a raised to 2 by 3 sin square theta. Okay, and sin square plus cos square is 1. So a raised to 2 by 3, that is the right hand side. Right? So whatever parametric equation we have written, that is correct. Hope you might have understood this. Right? You have to cross check. Whenever you are writing parametric equation, we should cross check whether it is correct or not. So fortunately it is correct. Okay, so this is the parametric equation and theta is the parameter. Right? Now we have to start with different points. Let me continue. On the second page, 48, 49. Okay. Limitations. Okay. 1 minute. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So limitations. First point. Okay, so we have x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. Okay. What is the maximum value of cos theta? 1. So when cos theta is 1, x equal to a. Right? When cos theta is minus 1, x equal to minus a. Same here. Sin theta equal to 1. Right? Y equal to a. Sin theta equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus a. Okay. So you might have understood x minimum is a. X maximum is, sorry, a. Y minimum, same again, minus a. Y maximum is a. So what is conclusion? Whole curve lies inside a square bounded by x equal to minus a, x equal to a, y equal to minus a, y equal to plus a. These are the 4 lines inside which the whole curve lies. समझ में आ गया आपको? Understood this? अरे क्या नाराज है क्या आप मुझसे?
नहीं सर।
या मैथ से नाराज है या कॉलेज से नाराज? किससे नाराज है? घर वालों से तो आप सब एट टाइम नाराज नहीं हो सकते. हो सकता है मुझसे हो सकते हो.
नो सर.
कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे आजकल. चलो ठीक है.
हेलो.
हाँ बोला. एक से हाँ.
Square a whole curve lies inside a square. कारण की x is equal to minus a, y is equal to minus a, a हे सगळं जॉईन केल्यावर सर्कल पण बनवू शकतो.
नाही ते लाईन्स आहेत ना. ओके. X axis, this is y axis. This is y equal to minus a. This is origin. This is y equal to plus a. This is x equal to a. This is x equal to minus a. Inside, I'm not saying that curve is sorry, हे काय square झालं नाही. You consider it as a square. So I'm not saying that curve is square. The whole curve lies inside this square. That's it. Now it may be circle, it may be parabola, it may be hyperbola. We don't know. That we want to check. But from the limitation, it is clear that whatever the curve, it will not lie outside the square. That's it. Is it clear now?
Sir, means feasible region.
Okay,
existence. Region of the existence. Correct. Region of the existence is square. Outside the square, there is no any part of the curve lies. Since maximum value of x is a, maximum value of y is a, minimum is also known, minus a. Therefore, clear now? Now that is, in other words, it is not possible to find any value of theta so that x will be equal to minus 3a. Understand what I am saying? It is not possible to find value of theta the parameter theta, so that x will be minus 3a, y equal to minus 5a, for example, or x equal to 10a, y equal to 3a, not possible. Getting everyone? Okay. The values of x and y will lie between minus a to plus a only. Since value of cos theta and sin theta lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Therefore, very simple. Okay. Now let me continue. Okay. Now we'll go through the second part, symmetry. I have to change the page. 49, 50. Fast, huh? Symmetry. I want to complete the topic. I want to start with the MCQs. That is, I think, more important part. X equal to a cos cube theta. Cos is the even function, right? Y equal to a sin cube theta. Yes, what about sin cube theta? Even or odd? Odd. Therefore, curve is symmetric about what? Yes. Symmetry about the y-axis. Okay. Third point. Few more points are there about the symmetry, but I have not considered them since they are not so much important for exam. And since we have very less time, we have only 2 weeks remaining and we have to complete the 2 units as well as the remaining part of this unit also. So now I am not considering everything. I am considering few things only. No option. For maths, it is not possible to cover everything. And again, one more problem is that you are not in front of me. Okay, chalo. Next, let me continue. Okay, then origin. We'll check whether it is passing through origin or not. Okay, for that, what is required? X equal to 0. Once I say x equal to 0 means a cos cube theta equal to 0. Means cos theta equal to 0. Means theta equal to, when cos is 0? Cos is 0 for pi by 2. And 3 pi by 2. Right? But when theta equal to pi by 2, what about the y? Y equal to a sin cube theta, na? So what the y is? Y equal to a sin cube pi by 2. Sin of pi by 2 is 1. So we have a. Whereas when theta equal to 3 pi by 2, what the value of y is? A sin cube 3 pi by 2. Sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So minus a. Right? So x equal to 0 implies y equal to a and minus a. So when x is 0, y is not 0. समझते कि नहीं? जपते कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है समझ में या नहीं? Are you getting all these points? Therefore, what is the conclusion? Curve is not passing through origin. Are you getting this point? Curve is not passing through origin. Hope you might have understood. Okay, let me go through the next point. थोड़ा difficult है, मैं भी समझता हूँ, लेकिन क्या there is no any alternative for us, so we have to understand it. Usually the semester used to be for the 3.5 months, 4 months, but we have only 2 months this time. Okay, origin. Then we'll find x-intercept. How to find x-intercept? We have to substitute y equal to 0. Once y equal to 0 means what the y is? Y equal to a sin cube theta, na? So a sin cube theta equal to 0 means sin theta equal to 0 means theta equal to, when sin theta is 0, 0 and pi. I can take 3 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, but they are not required. Usually we have to consider values between 0 to 2 pi. They are sufficient. Okay. Now, when theta equal to 0, what the x is? X equal to a cos cube theta. X equal to a cos cube 0. Cos cube 0 is 1. So x equal to a. Right? When theta equal to pi, what the x is? X equal to a cos cube pi. That is minus a. So the x-intercepts are, I'm writing them here. I don't have space below. Therefore, see, these two values I want. Y equal to 0 and what the values of x are. Okay. So x-intercepts are A0 and minus A0 आ रहा है सबको समझ में? ये पार्ट सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Y equal to 0 implies x equal to A and x equal to minus A. Therefore, A0 and minus A0 are the x intercepts. Is it clear?
सर एक मिनट.
कुछ तो बोलो.
क्लियर नहीं हो रहा जल्दी.
Yes, sir.
गिव अप नहीं करना है. लाइफ इज लाइक दिस ओनली. हाँ, गिव अप नहीं करना है, पेशेंस रखना है. अभी आप यू सी फॉर द लास्ट 1.5 year ड्यू टू कोविड कितने सारे बिजनेस बंद हो गए. यू सी मेनी ऑफ द बिजनेस, जिन्होंने शायद पहले होटल स्टार्ट किया होगा, गया हो, है ना. शायद किसी ने कोई नया प्लान स्टार्ट किया होगा, से किसी ने क्लासेस स्टार्ट किए होंगे, किसी ने स्कूल शुरू किया होगा. सब बंद है. यू नो इट वेरी वेल, यू नो बेटर देन मी. लेकिन पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा. भागेंगे किधर, है ना. इंजीनियरिंग इज लाइक दिस ओनली, लाइफ इज लाइक दिस ओनली. पेशेंस रखना.
सर आपने वहाँ पे
Okay.
क्यों लिखा था वो नहीं समझ
कंप्लीट करना है.
वो बट व्हेन
किधर लिखा है मैंने 3π/2.
आपने correct
अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये वाला,
नहीं, उसके नीचे
दिस पार्ट
बाय मिस्टेक लिख दिया है शायद आपने.
अच्छा, ये बाय मिस्टेक होता है थोड़ा सा. 3π/2. इट शुड बी 3π/2, नो डाउट. ये यू कैन क्रॉस चेक इट हियर. ओके. This part I am repeating on the next page. Y-intercept, na? Whatever we have written in origin, na, that I am repeating in case of Y-intercept also. Though we have written it, I am writing it once again so that afterwards there I don't want any confusion there. Okay. So let me change the page. Can I? Now we have obtained the x-intercepts and we got two x-intercept, A0 and minus A0. Now let me continue on the next page. So we have okay. Acha, I have to change the page. 51. Y-intercept. Next जो भी है Y-intercept. So for that I have to substitute x equal to 0. But x is a cos cube theta equal to 0. That is cos theta equal to 0. That is theta equal to cos 0 कब रहता है? π/2 I think and 3π/2. But our aim is to find y. So y equal to a sin cube theta. So when theta equal to 0, what the y is? A sin cube π/2. Sin π/2 is 1. Okay. When theta equal to 3π/2, y equal to a sin cube 3π/2. 3π/2 is minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. So minus a. So these are the values of y. This is the value of x. So y intercepts are क्या क्या है बताओ? 0a and 0 minus a. ठीक है. So we got two x intercepts, we got two y intercept. Now afterwards we have to find tangent at these intercepts. At least we'll try to find tangent at least one of them. Okay. तो time being let me continue. इसके बाद हमने क्या देखा था? Okay, I think only tangent is remaining. Existence that we have done in limitations. Okay. So on tangent. चलो देखते हैं. How to find tangent? We want to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? dy by d theta and dx by d theta. ये है x, a cos cube theta. Y is a sin cube theta. चलो सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. dy by d theta 3a sin square theta and then cos theta. Okay. Minus 3a cos square theta and then sin theta. Derivative is minus sin theta. That already I have written here. चलो कैंसिल करो, जिसको चाहिए उसको कैंसिल करो. मैक्सिमम थिंग्स आर टू बी कैंसल्ड, सो माइनस साइन विल बी देयर. cos थीटा कैंसिल होगा, 1 sin थीटा कैंसिल होगा, 1 sin by, so minus tan theta is remaining, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी क्या करते हैं, so we know dy by dx in terms of theta, tan theta, now see, थोड़ा सा see towards screen, theta equal to 0 एक हमारे पास है ना, when theta equal to 0 we got the point 0a, है ना, ये 0 कहां से आ गया, for that theta equal to 0 है ना, और इसके लिए क्या है, थीटा इक्वल टू 3 पाई बाय 2। ऑन द प्रीवियस पेज वेयर वी आर रिटन द एक्स इंटरसेप्ट, देखो अभी मैं यहां पे नहीं देख सकता, आप देख सकते हो, पहला पॉइंट हमने लिखा था a0, मिल गया आपको, एक्स इंटरसेप्ट में सबसे एंड में a0 पॉइंट लिखा था, उसके लिए थीटा क्या है, पाई बाय 2 है ना, ये गलत हो गया क्या, ये पाई बाय 2 है, सॉरी ये है पाई बाय 2, थोड़ा सा जल्दी जल्दी करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है शायद, हाँ। सो अगेन आई विल रिपीट, सी द एक्स इंटरसेप्ट्स, पहले स्टार्ट किया था हमने y इक्वल टू 0, फिर a sin क्यूब थीटा इक्वल टू 0 लिखा है, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव रिटन sin थीटा इक्वल टू 0, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव रिटन द थीटा, these values of theta are important, there we have written theta equal to 0 and pi, getting okay, तो हमारे पास ये इंटरसेप्ट्स है a0, 0a, 0 minus a, x इंटरसेप्ट्स, y इंटरसेप्ट्स है 0a and 0 minus a, इसके थीटा है थीटा इक्वल टू,
सर वहाँ पे 2 बार 0 कॉमा माइनस से आया,
माइनस से 0 चाहिए सर ऊपर,
माइनस से 0 होना चाहिए।
अच्छा a, सॉरी प्लीज, माइनस a0, हाँ शायद अभी करेक्ट है, हाँ। तो जो अभी ऊपर लिखा है पेज पे, यहाँ पे जो लिखा है, तो वी गॉट a, सॉरी 0a फॉर थीटा इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2, this is for theta equal to 3 pi by 2, we got these values for theta equal to 0, we got these values for theta equal to pi, ये तो सही है सब, इतना समझ में आ रहा है,
यस
और डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है क्या, ठीक है, मैं एट द एंड आपको बताऊंगा कि what to remember, हाँ, यहाँ से from this example what to remember, that I'll tell you, okay, timing, let me continue. So sorry, on the next page what I'll do now, I have dy by dx equal to minus tan theta, so now for theta equal to 0 I'll substitute theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to 3 pi by 2, and we'll see what the dy by dx is, what the slope is, that we have to check. Okay, let me continue.
Sir,
So
sir, can you show the origin page, because my PC gone and restart. There was an update came on my
original
PC,
page means
but
what you want to say?
restart. Origin page.
Where we started, that page.
From
how possible?
Cycloid. From Cycloid.
Okay, let me continue with that. I think where we started somewhere here. Here we started, right? Previous page. Here we started. Trace the curve x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Then we have written the parametric equation as x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. That's it. Then we went to the next page. There we have written the limitations. We obtained the minimum and maximum value of x. They are minus a and plus a respectively. Therefore, the whole curve lies inside the square. X equal to minus a to x equal to plus a, y equal to minus a to y equal to plus a. Clear? Then we move to the second page. There we studied the symmetry. Since x is even and y is odd, the curve is symmetric about y-axis. Then we checked whether curve is passing through origin or not. For that we substituted x equal to 0 and we obtained that when x is 0, y is a and minus a. Therefore curve is not passing through the origin. That is, we are not able to find any value of theta so that x will be 0 as well as y will be 0 at the time. And that is not possible in case of sin theta and cos theta. We know it very well. Okay, it is not possible that for same value of theta, x equal to 0 as well as y equal to 0. So conclusion is curve is not passing through the origin. Next, we obtain the x-intercept. Okay, now to obtain x-intercept, we have to substitute y equal to 0. That we have done here. यहाँ पे लिखा है हमने. Okay, from there we got a sin cube theta equal to 0. That is sin theta equal to 0. But when sin theta is 0 or theta equal to 0 and pi. Right, but when theta is equal to 0, x is equal to a. When theta equal to pi, x is equal to minus a. So we got two x-intercepts, a0 और a0 कब मिला? जब थीटा इक्वल टू 0 था. इसको मैं नेक्स्ट पेज में लिखने वाला हूँ. हाँ, ठीक है, तो इसको समझ में लीजिए. When we got minus a0 when theta equal to pi. Okay, then we move to the next page. Here we obtain the y-intercept. We got a0 and 0a and 0 minus a as the y-intercept. So I collected all the x and y-intercepts here. Why? Since I want to find tangents at these 4 points. And we are getting these 4 points corresponding to theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi, theta equal to pi by 2 and theta equal to 3 by 2. Clear? इतना समझ में आ गया? तो अभी मुझे मूव करने दीजिए. हाँ, तो now I want to find tangent at these 4 points, a0 minus a0, 0a, 0 minus a, but not in the form of a0, in the form of theta. Since I have dy by dx equal to minus tan theta, therefore. तो हर बार हम क्या कर रहे हैं? In terms of theta, in terms of parameter, हर चीज को हम find कर रहे हैं. Okay, that you have to understand. Okay, so let me move to the next page, page number 50. अच्छा, मुझे लाइव मोड में जाना पड़ेगा. ओके, पेशेंस रखना है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप द पेशेंस. पेज नंबर 52. सो वी हैव dy by dx. लिखूंगा मैं सब, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. dy by dx इक्वल टू माइनस tan थीटा. ओके, ए पॉइंट है a0, करस्पॉन्डिंग थीटा है 0 एंड dy by dx क्या आएगा? माइनस tan थीटा एट 0, दैट इज 0. सो कंक्लूजन क्या हो गया? tangent at a is yes parallel to x axis. इतना समझ में आ रहा है आपको? चलो दूसरा पॉइंट लेने दीजिए मुझे. b minus a0. ठीक है, तो when we got minus a0 when theta was pi, so what is dy by dx? What is tan of pi? 0 ही है ना? So what is conclusion? Tangent at b minus a0 is parallel to x axis. x axis नहीं है, हाँ, parallel to x axis है. थर्ड c पॉइंट क्या है? c पॉइंट 0a. कब आया ये 0? ये when theta was pi by 2. Now what is dy by dx? dy by dx at pi by 2. What is tan of pi by 2? Infinity.
Infinity.
Minus infinity. Plus infinity, minus infinity doesn't matter. Huh? So what is the conclusion? Tangent at C 0a is parallel to whom? Y axis. समझ में आ रहा है? फोर्थ D पॉइंट क्या है? D पॉइंट 0 माइनस a. कब मिला ये? जब थीटा इक्वल टू 3 पाई बाय 2. ओके, सो dy by dx, सॉरी थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया. dy by dx tan थीटा एट 3 पाई बाय 2, ये भी इंफिनिटी आएगा. इन प्लस इंफिनिटी माइनस, देखो आप क्या है, शायद माइनस इंफिनिटी आएगा. Tangent at D 0 minus a is parallel to y axis. Two of the tangents are parallel to x axis and two of the tangents are parallel to y axis. ओके चलो बस हो गया ये. चलो अब टेबल लेते हैं और ट्रेस करते हैं तभी समझ में आएगा. सो x इक्वल टू a cos क्यूब थीटा, y इक्वल टू a sin क्यूब थीटा. चलो पुट करो 0. cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, a 0 आ गया. पाई बाय 4 पुट करो. cos पाई बाय 4 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 raised to 3 है ना. ओके सो इट इज x इक्वल टू a डिवाइडेड बाय 2 root 2 है ना. b भी सेम आएगा 1 upon 2 root 2. जरा थोड़ा सा मुझे फाइंड करके बताओ व्हाट इज 1 upon 2 root 2. 0.3 कुछ आएगा शायद. 2 into 1.4 यानी 1 upon 2.8. 1 upon 2.8 क्या आता है देखो. .35. आप कुछ करने वाले नहीं हो ऐसा लग रहा है. चलो पाई बाय 2 लेते हैं. cos पाई बाय 2 0, sin पाई बाय 2 1. सो a आएगा. If you want few more values you can consider. Okay, let me go through the next page. I also getting it since what we used to do na to solve more examples so that the concept is clear, but unfortunately we don't have that much time. So x axis, y axis, this is a, this is minus a minus a. स्क्वायर थोड़ा सा आने दीजिए. चलो हो गया. ये ओरिजिन है. Let me start with different points. 1. Limitations. The whole curve lies inside the circle. ये origin है. X axis है, y axis है. Okay. The whole curve lies inside the square y equal to minus a to y equal to plus a and x equal to minus a to x equal to plus a. यानी यहाँ पे कर्व नहीं है. यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी कर्व नहीं. इसके अंदर है. Getting? Curve exists here. This part में, this part में, this part में, right? इस part में है. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Second, symmetry curve, symmetry का पढ़ा तो y axis. Okay. Third हमने क्या पढ़ा? जरा देख के आप बताओ क्या था. हाँ, passing through origin. So it is not passing through origin. So origin is not point on the curve. Okay. Then we studied x intercept. What the x intercepts are? A0. यानी ये है पॉइंट 1. दिस इज 1 पॉइंट ऑन द कर्व. माइनस a0. दिस इज 1 मोर पॉइंट ऑन द कर्व. y intercepts are 0a and 0 minus a. So 4 points on the curve are known. 1 2 3 4. Tangents भी पता है हमें. Yes, what are the tangents at जो पहला पॉइंट हमने किया था कंसीडर a0. थीटा इक्वल टू 0 था ना. देखो यहाँ पे थीटा इक्वल टू 0 है. ये भी आप समझ सकते हो है ना. थीटा इक्वल टू 0. So what was the tangent? Tangent was the x axis. dy by dx was 0 है ना. So ये tangent है. Then next point consider किया था minus a0 ये वाला. Right here theta is pi. हाँ है ना pi. यहाँ टिप पे tangent क्या था? x axis ही था. Parallel to x axis. Getting? Then we consider third point as 0a ये वाला point. Here theta was pi by 2. You cross check it. यहाँ पे टेंजेंट पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस dy by dx was minus infinity. तो ये आया था. ओके. नेक्स्ट 0 minus a ये पॉइंट आया था. यहाँ पे here theta was 3 pi by 2. Here also the tangent was parallel to y axis, यानी इस टाइप का tangent है. Okay, अब go through the table. When जरा देख के मुझे बताओ क्योंकि मेरे पास है नहीं. When x equal to 0, अभी थीटा को छोड़ दो. हाँ, x equal to 0, y equal to e, ये पॉइंट मिल गया. When कुछ तो ये था 0.35a 0.35a था. x equal to 0.35, y equal to 0.35, यानी यहाँ पे कहीं पे पॉइंट आएगा, है ना. एंड देन लास्ट when x equal to a, y equal to 0, ये पॉइंट आएगा. तो कर्व ऐसे आता है. दिस इज द कर्व. इसको क्या बोलते हैं अभी मैं भूल भी गया. ये साइक्लॉइड नहीं है. हाँ, दिस इज नॉट साइक्लॉइड, एस्ट्रॉइड बोलते हैं इसको. लिखो एस्ट्रॉइड. थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है?
यस सर, पूरा.
मैं भी समझता हूँ कि थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. चलो इसको ट्रेस करते हैं डायरेक्टली. कोई बता सकता है व्हाट इज इक्वेशन, पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन? Now the curve again, it is asteroid only. Huh? Now it will not lie in the square. ना a और b डिफरेंट है ना, तो ये आएगा रेक्टेंगल में. ये ऐसा, सॉरी ज्यादा ही गलत हो गया, सॉरी. हाँ, ये बोर्ड पे थोड़ा सा चौक है तो मिटा के लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे पॉसिबल नहीं. थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान देना, ऐसे आना चाहिए. इस टाइप का आता है.
सर आप
Straight होता है.
और एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर सकते क्या वो कैसे टू द सेंटर बेंड हुआ है वो कर्व?
नहीं, उसके लिए ये सफिशिएंट नहीं है. फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू ना, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ टेंजेंट हियर. यहाँ पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. सो यू फाइंड tan थीटा एट π/4. सॉरी, dy लिखता हूं मैंने यहाँ पे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. यहाँ पे लिखूं मैं dy/dx इट वाज माइनस tan थीटा. ठीक है.
यस.
और वी गॉट दीज वैल्यूज. टेबल में देखो आप, 0.35a 0.35a व्हेन थीटा वाज π/4, करेक्ट है ना. तो नाउ आई वांट टू फाइंड टेंजेंट टू द कर्व. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? बी केयरफुल. आई वांट टू फाइंड टेंजेंट टू द कर्व एट थीटा इक्वल टू π/4. दैट इज 0.35a 0.35a. समझ में आ रहा है? ये दोनों का मीनिंग सेम ही है. वन इन टर्म्स ऑफ थीटा, वन इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई, दोनों सेम ही. हाँ, तो dy/dx एट π/4 इज -1. तो यहाँ पे यदि मैंने टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किया, देखो ये टेंजेंट आ रहा है, ये टेंजेंट है, तो उसका स्लोप बताओ क्या रहेगा? -1 रहेगा, है ना. ये जो एंगल है, देखो ना एंगल कितना है, अराउंड 135 आएगा. यदि एग्जैक्ट आपने अप टू द स्केल लिया ना, देन. सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग ना, यू ड्रॉ टेंजेंट एट डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स. यहाँ पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करके देखो, यहाँ पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करके देखो. सो देन यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द स्लोप इज चेंजिंग, हाउ द कर्व इज चेंजिंग. ओके, ये डायरेक्टली समझना डिफिकल्टी है. इसको आई विल से दैट टाइम बिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. And again at the starting only we have written our aim is to draw the rough curve. Exact curve draw करने के लिए then you have to study few more things about the parametric curve, which is not possible. Hope this is clear. Okay, next. अभी कितना टाइम है हमारे पास?
हो गया सर, 3 मिनट और.
सिर्फ 11:30 हो जाता है क्या ये?
झाले सर, 11:30 झाले.
ठीक आहे, चालेल. तुम्ही 1 मिनिट मी अटेंडन्स घेतो and then you can leave. कुठं आहे आपण? इथे आहे. ओके, लेकिन पेशेंस रखना है. देखो मैथ्स में हर एक के लिए पेशेंस रखना है, नो डाउट. लेकिन मैथ्स में थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है ये पार्ट.
सर जब हम दूसरे बुक्स के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं तो वो हो नहीं रहे सर,
फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
सॉल्व ही नहीं हो
फॉर
रहे।
एग्जाम्पल
सर अभी मैंने यानी डिफरेंशिएशन के स्टार्टिंग के क्वेश्चंस किए ना,
अच्छा,
वो हो ही नहीं रहे सर, यानी अप्रोच लग नहीं रहा है उधर।
हाँ, यूनिट नंबर 1 की क्या?
यूनिट नंबर 1 और 2 दोनों भी।
कुछ एक दो क्वेश्चन बता सकते हो आप? अभी है टाइम, यानी
Sir,
मुझे भी आइडिया आएगा कि एग्जैक्टली कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है। हाँ
sir, after the end of syllabus, can you please means summary like fourth unit?
नहीं, क्या कौन सा यूनिट? 4th यूनिट या सब यूनिट?
Curve
कौन सा
tracing,
चाहिए?
curve tracing,
सी
curve
वेरी
tracing.
सिंपल। एक बार पूरा सिलेबस होने के बाद समरी करने के लिए हमें वी हैव गिवन 1 आवर। आई नो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू कवर एवरीथिंग इन 1 आवर। हाँ, तो हम ये मान के चल रहे कि वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द सिलेबस बाय 23, 24, 25, 26 यहाँ पे प्रीलिम एग्जाम रहेगा और उसमें हमें 1-2 घंटे मिलेंगे रिवाइज करने के लिए। ठीक है, यदि आप चाहते हो तो मैं 27 लेक्चर रख सकता हूं, मे बी फॉर 3 आवर्स, 4 आवर्स, 5 आवर्स, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट। ओके, और उसमें हम ये कर सकते हैं कि वी मे रिवाइज एवरीथिंग और वी मे सॉल्व द एमसीक्यूज। आप बताओ क्या करना है, उसके हिसाब से हम करेंगे। लेकिन उसमें क्या है, 2 चीजें हैं। एक तो आप 27 यू शुड रेडी टू स्पेंड अराउंड 3-4 आवर्स, 5 आवर्स, उतना टाइम आपको निकालना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, और
सर
फिर हम रिवाइज करेंगे, उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
बस वो प्रोसेस क्या है, वो कर्व ट्रेसिंग का, वो बस
अच्छा,
उसका
ओके। नहीं, अभी क्या करेंगे हम, अभी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो है ना, अभी और एक लेक्चर है हमारा। हाँ, तो इसमें आधे घंटे में मैं ये कंप्लीट कर दूंगा। क्या कंप्लीट कर दूंगा? रेक्टिफिकेशन का पार्ट। यूजुअली नहीं होता है आधे घंटे में, ट्राई करूंगा मैं। उसके बाद टुमारो एंड डे आफ्टर टुमारो मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम देना है आपको, और हम पूरे एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे, ईच एंड एवरी एमसीक्यू। तभी आपको समझ में आएगा, नहीं तो ये समझ में नहीं आएगा, डिफिकल्ट है। चलेगा? इज इट ओके? इज इट ओके फॉर एवरीवन?
यस
सर।
हाँ, सैटरडे संडे थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइम निकालते हैं। मेरे लिए भी डिफिकल्ट है, देखिए आई यूज्ड टू बी एट होम, और वो घर के सब काम, उसमें से टाइम निकालना डिफिकल्ट रहता है। ओके, तो आप भी थोड़ा टाइम निकालिए, मैं भी टाइम निकालता हूं, और एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करते हैं पूरे। एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे तो आइडिया आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं आइडिया आएगा। आई नो इट। ठीक है, तो एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करते कल और परसों, आज सिलेबस खत्म करते। ठीक आहे?
किती टाइम सर?
माहित नाही, तुम्ही लवकर सांगितलं आन्सर तर लगेच होणार. तुम्ही नाही म्हणला सर हे एक्सप्लेनच करा, इट विल टेक मोर टाइम ऍटलीस्ट. हा, तुम्ही सांगा टाइम कोणता, आपण ठरवू. मी माझ्याकडचा टाइम बघतो, नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आपण ठरवू. ठीक आहे?
करण्याच्या अगोदर थोडेसे ते बेसिक फॉर्म्युले ते फक्त
हो, चालेल की रिवाइज करू फास्ट एकदा त्याच्या विल गो थ्रू इट. ओके,
थँक्यू सर.
सर तुमच्या
चालेल.
किती आहे?
काय किती आहे?
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कधी आहे तुमचं?
आता लगेच आहे ना, मध्ये ब्रेक काहीतरी आहे तुमचा अर्ध्या तासाचा.
सर ते 12 वाजता काहीतरी
सर पेपर आहे आमचा, टेस्ट,
कसली
मॉक टेस्ट, एसपीपी.
एसपीबीची मॉक टेस्ट
हे ती कधीतरी द्या, त्याला काय अर्ध्या तासात संपत ती काय असते?
5 मिनिटाची गोष्ट सर ते.
हा, करेक्ट, समजून घ्यायची.
मिनिटात सबमिट नाही करू शकत ना.
हा, ठीक आहे,
15
काय
मिनिटं
तर करा
लागतात.
ते. बरं, चला आता यू कॅन लिव. विल कंटिन्यू ॲट 12.
थँक्यू सर.
ओके, बाय बाय. आहे एक नसेल. हा, नमस्कार सर. हा, बरं. हो काय, अच्छा, बर. कधी पाहिजे सांगा मला. तुम्हाला कधी पाहिजे सांगा, त्याप्रमाणे मी येणार तर ऍक्च्युअली नाही, त्याप्रमाणे मी मॅनेज करतोय. काय प्रॉब्लेम? बरं, मग मी आज किंवा उद्या दोन्ही दिवसात दिलं चालेल? चालेल चालेल, ठीक आहे. चालेल चालेल, ठीक आहे. ओके. हा? आता म्हणजे माझं हे लेक्चर होणार नाहीये काय?
12 ते 1 फक्त.
12 ते 1 होणार नाही. एक लेक्चर होणार.
सर उद्या आपले शनिवार मी यांच्यासाठी बोलले ना आपण ऍक्टिव्हिटी आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही जी ऍक्टिव्हिटी आता केलेल्या 30 अवरच्या मेरे 3.5 मिनट और मैं बोला आता मैं पीपीटी को देख रहा हूं उससे यूनिट 2 में 2 पीपीटी में नहीं कर सकते अभी होना नहीं पड़ेगा इसलिए बच्चे करो या ठीक है स्कूलर एडवांस करना अजून ते वर्कशॉप टीचर्स नाही म्हणत
लेक्चर्स नको दे. पुढच्या शनिवारी पुढच्या शनिवारी एक्झाम आपण तसे एक क्लास संपवलं तुम्हाला कळलं काय?
एकच क्लिअर आहे ना
3 आठवड्यात मिळाले ऑनलाईन एक्झाम तर काय पडतं
पण तसं तेव्हा मी इथे बसून होते
15-16
बरोबर येत आहे मी तर सांगते
त्यावेळी निवडणूक बी होती आठवते का सुप्रीम कोर्ट होते बघा.
हा बरोबर तुम्हाला सर्वांना आम्हाला बरोबर ठीक आहे
हां
आहे